Another great and really convenient feature is what is called video conversion. And this comes as a standard in all the models from the 919 and over. What this does, it converts all the video signals from the various sources that are connected to the AV receiver to just one HDMI cable, which is then connected to the display. So whether it's an analog composite video, like the single yellow pin plug, or a component format, they all link up to the same HDMI cable. And this makes cable management so much easier and reduces the cable mess. Furthermore, the VSX1019 can upscale all input video signals to 1080p resolution, and therefore the consumer can enjoy high-definition quality images really easily. So Pioneer AV receivers not only make it easier to access and output the various video signals, but they can also actually improve the quality. And finally, there is no more S-video in. So HDMI is very convenient because it can transfer audio and video over just one single cable. There is a weakness, however. When the video and the audio signal are transmitted via one cable, something called clock jitter occurs during the digital audio transfer process, which deteriorates the quality of the audio. Since HDMI has its roots in video, this clock jitter can occur even if the HDMI cable is only used for audio. But as you would expect, our Pioneer engineers were the first in the market to have discovered a remedy for this weakness. Pioneer developed a system called the Precise Quartz Lock System, or PQLS, which can remove the audio distortion that happens during this transfer process. Combining a Blu-ray player that has such a PQLS function with an AV receiver allows you to enjoy jitter-free linear PCM from a CD, for example. PQLS overcomes this weak point of HDMI and actually turns it into a quality line for uncompressed digital audio. The PQLS technology was originally developed for our LX series last year, and this year it's a standard feature in the mid-range receiver models starting from the VSX919 and upwards. Nowadays, connectivity with portable MP3 players such as iPod or the iPhone is extremely important, and consumers expect this already for the regular receivers. The iPod docking stations that are in the market at the moment are all analog, and this fact negatively impacts on the sound quality. The digital audio from the iPod has to be converted into analog inside the player, while of course it's obvious that the high-quality digital to analog converters that are inside an AV receivers would be much better suited for this. To make things worse, most of the AV receivers will reconvert the analog signal back to digital and adding a full unnecessary DA-AD cycle. However, our Pioneer receivers can accept the digital audio signal directly from the iPod or the iPhone through a dedicated USB cable which comes with the receiver. Quality, convenience, and money saving are all combined in this feature. Pioneer is actually the first manufacturer to accomplish full digital audio connectivity with iPod or also iPhone, and we have a very strong confidence in this function. This direct connectivity via USB guarantees a high sound quality as well as a comfortable operation of the iPod menu. So let's connect it. You simply connect the USB in to the receiver as well as the video in, and the receiver automatically recognizes the menu of the iPod. That's not all. You can also control the menu of the iPod via the Pioneer remote control. And you can see that the AV receiver and the display automatically recognize the iPod menu as well as the iPod jacket. Very easy and smooth operation. Starting from the 819, all models can also play back video from the iPod or the iPhone, such as DivX or YouTube or podcast contents. Furthermore, consumers can enjoy slideshows with music from the iPod or via USB memory stick. The two most important points about iPod connectivity is the high sound quality, as well as the fact that the USB cable is delivered together with the AV receiver. There's a wide range of products for FY10. All the models are attractive and very competitive. Combining an AV receiver with one of our Blu-ray player models will even further enhance the consumer benefits. Here are again the four main points of differentiation for the AV receivers. HDMI is an indispensable function this year, unifying all of the video outputs to just one HDMI cable. The Pioneer unique sound improvement via HDMI PQLS, and the iPod and iPhone digital connection via USB. That's all for today. Thank you very much and bye-bye.